Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you how I reroot my Disney Store Cinderella doll. A while back, I got this singing Cinderella because I really loved her face, and she came in her pink dress. In one of my first Disney Princess reroot videos, I also rerouted a secondhand Cinderella doll. However, I prefer the face of this Disney Store Cinderella a lot more than the Simba one that I used. But the hair is quite a mess. So I'm gonna start this reroot by simply cutting off all of that hair as short as possible. Since I do really love the hair that I used for the first Cinderella reroot, I decided to order the same saran hair from dollyhair.com. Then I dipped the head in boiling water to remove the head from the body. Then I take my tweezers and scrape the inside of the head. To get rid of that leftover hair. Because the plastic of Cinderella's head was really hard, I had to dip it in warm water every now and again to make the head more flexible, to make the rerouting easier. I did paint Cinderella's scalp to match the hair color, but looking back at it, this was really pointless because all of the paint wore off after dipping the head in warm water over and over again. If you are working on a doll that has a softer head though, I do recommend to make sure the scalp matches the new hair color. So I just start rooting the hairline, followed by a side part that I give her. Since this doll originally has bangs, she did not have a part line yet. So I just create my own, as I showed in a separate tutorial. After that, I simply continue filling the entire head with hair. When all the hair is added, I take my Fabri-Tac glue and spread it out with a Q-tip. When the glue is dry, I put her back on the purple top made to move body that I had her on, which is a really good match for this specific doll. I also boil wash her hair to make it lay nice and flat. And then comes the moment that I've been waiting for. In my Bella Doll Store outfit haul, I already showed you this Cinderella t-shirt. And now that this reroot is done, I finally have the perfect candidate to try it on. To match this casual look, I gave her some loose curls and finished the outfit with a pair of AliExpress glass slippers and a pair of light blue jeans. So now, let's compare my old Cinderella with my updated Cinderella. As you can see, the hair looks pretty similar, but I definitely prefer the overall look of the new one. I really hope you liked seeing this transformation video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to turn on your notifications to never miss another video, and follow me on Instagram for more pictures, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!